Been a quick minute since I've run one of these.
You are now watching the 2023 season of Farming with Duffy Ag.
Welcome back to the channel. We are cruising south here, down through Vermont. Go see what it's like where the equipment's all parked and get rolling. So this snow's been nothing but chaos for a lot of people. Mark Shaw, who actually gave us the tour at Shaw Dairy and hooked us up with that pressure washer, their barn actually collapsed. So I was just on the phone with him, which is really unfortunate. The new section of the barn, and yeah, so that's the second barn. That's the first barn I've heard of that was had dairy cows in it. Another person's barn collapsed last night. That was machines. So this heavy wet snow really did a number on everything, and I think it's supposed to get warm again, so hopefully it will get warm and start melting, because I'm sure there's other structures that are challenging with it. But we're gonna go catch up with James, see what he's doing. Yeah, make sure that we can get that low boy and hopefully keep the wheels going and get stuff moved in. Today is the 15th, so technically in my agreement with the previous owner, they had till the 31st to leave the house. Due to it took longer to close. I know a lot of people, well, people in the comments have said, why aren't you moved in, blah, 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 you shouldn't be doing this. I can move equipment in, but living there, I'm not gonna live with some strangers. Yeah, but 16 more days at most until I'm not homeless any longer. Look at the Jeep. What up? So, alrighty, jumping south. A lot of trees are down. Look at this one hanging over the road, touching the lines. Like crazy. I'm actually really concerned about that one trailer with the bad roof. I'm worried it's collapsed all the way down. Oh, so that's my first to do, is go check that, shovel that off. We have to grab the ladder out of the other box trailer, the shovel, and we'll go up there, and then we'll see, because yeah, a lot of trees down, heavy snow. It's actually a nice day, so let's see. The ladder should be in here. Yeah, ladder, shovels in here. I don't know, some moving around, but no leaks, which is good. I'm worried about the other one more than this one. When the ground's not frozen, it's such a disaster to get this much snow. As you see, we're just battling through mud bogs, and there's like a foot and a half of snow. I guess somebody just a little west here has like 4 foot of snow. They got out of that storm, so yeah. Well, let's see how this looks. Oh. This time, because the ground isn't actually frozen, we'll open it up. No, previously, everybody, oh my God, you gotta open it. Yeah, we didn't do it last time. So you push these in. This is a info video for you guys, and then open it right up. I'll stick you guys right here. Okay. Did it collapse? No. Thank God. I was nervous we were gonna get up here. This was just gonna be sunk right down. But I'll get this one shoveled off. It definitely sank down a little bit more. Can't do much about that. We just gotta get this trailer to its end location and get it unloaded. Right, puppy dog? Yeah. It is almost beautiful out. It's actually warm, so it's supposed to rain this weekend. It's supposed to be like 45, 50 degrees. Yeah, weather's a little messed up. There we go, some snow coming off the roof. Yep. Did you have a good birthday? Yeah. That's all that matters, buddy. So this trailer is parked on a slope, so the water will run off the back. I backed it up as far as I could, and we raised the jacks up as high as we could. But should be good now. It's gonna rain and be 50. I don't want the snow sitting on the roof longer and just getting wet and eventually collapsing. Yeah, this roof isn't that great, which we know. This trailer is gonna go scrap, but it really helped me out and got my tools and everything, all my shop stuff. So, alrighty, might as well go do the other one. I should get it leveled out some, but that way I don't slide off the roof. Tractor is over there, could jump in that and clean this up, get it out of here. That's what I'm kind of thinking. We'll see if she wants to start up. Alright, we'll commandeer this T8030. See if I remember how to run this bad boy. You coming with me or what are you doing? Yanko. Last time he was here, the secretary brought him back over to me. Hey! We got too much stuff to sniff and smell. Oh, there's a shut off on this one. Always forget that. There it is. There we go. You coming? Alright, been a quick minute since I've run one of these. So a Degelman blade, go over and push a little bit out of the way. I don't know how much. You guys can see a little bit. Windows are dirty, and yeah. I don't know what my real plan is here. If I'm gonna unload, unhook the trailer right here, or what I'm actually gonna do. Well, we gotta pull some. Blade pivot? No, it's a flat. It's only a four-way blade. Right? I don't know. Yeah, it's only a four-way blade. Forgot there's duals on here. Yeah, that would have been good. New tires would have been real good if I did that. Okay, so I'll move the truck out of the way, my pickup, and then I'll push this little pile. Maybe I can drop it right here because that trailer should leave right away once we get the tractor over there. Makes sense because, well, that's all my living stuff. I'm sliding down more. I can pull forward, but I can't go back. There's a concrete post there, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit more here. And then maybe I can pull up here, straighten myself out, and then get out. This is my concern though. We get to the property and I don't have the tractor there. We're sitting. Like, then we can't do anything. So that is why, for reasons like this, I haven't moved all my trailers there, because if we didn't have any snow, that'd be one thing, but because we do have snow, yeah, it would be bad. A semi stuck with no way of pulling it out. I do have friends that own the tow truck companies out there, but stuff costs money like that. So if you can avoid it and just line your schedule, line your timing up better, your plans, organization, then you're good to go. Can't see where that concrete pillar is. Hopefully we clear it. Just keep going right. You gonna watch me? Made it. Yep, I hate snow. We're gaining. That's much better. The rest of that's all gonna melt right off. So I should get this turned around, backed in, out of the way, drop it from the truck, and then figure out if we're gonna go get the low boy or if that's a tomorrow thing. So freaking left me.
Yeah, you came inside to the heat.
Oh. Little fab work down here. James is getting right after it. Yanko's supervising. Freaking left me. Well, there we have it. We didn't get very far today. We're gonna run tomorrow, go get the low boy, 75-20 on it, see how far we make it tomorrow. Shoveling snow. The roads are gonna be, well, they're gonna be wet. They're gonna be wet tomorrow, but not as wet today. And low trees and stuff like that. Figure I might as well not fight all that. Power crews are still out. The sun's actually coming back out, so that's a plus. But trailers, yeah, both trailers are uncovered. So goal is move as much of my stuff that's here out there once the 75-20 shows up, which shouldn't really be that bad. 2 hours one way, 4 hours. Maybe we can get somebody with another truck, do 2 trips for the price of 1, or 3 trucks, we'll see. Alrighty, yeah, I'm gonna catch my breath after shoveling and go check up on James and Yanko in the shop and see what they're doing. Appreciate you guys watching along, liking, subscribing, being part of the channel. You guys are awesome.